Car paint falls into a handful of core chemistries and finishing systems, each with its own behavior, durability, cost, and suitability for restoration or modern refinishing. The differences matter a lot when you're dealing with classics, matching old finishes, or choosing a paint system for long-term durability. Main types of car paint by chemistry. 1. Acrylic lacquer, a very old system, common up to the 1960s, 70s. What it is: fast-drying, solvent-based paint that forms a soft, glossy film. Pros: easy to apply, easy to polish, beautiful, deep gloss. Cons: very poor durability, fades quickly, softens with fuel, not VOC compliant in many regions. Where it's used now: concours restorations where originality matters, small touch-ups on period cars. 2. Acrylic enamel. A step up from lacquer, used widely from the 1970s-90s. What it is: harder curing enamel that forms a tougher shell. Pros: better durability than lacquer, can be single stage, color plus gloss in one. Cons: still not as durable as modern urethanes, can yellow over time. Where it's used now: budget resprays, classic restorations aiming for period correct look. 3. Urethane, polyurethane, paint, the modern standard for automotive refinishing. What it is: a chemically cured, highly durable coating. Pros: excellent UV resistance, chemical resistance, long life, compatible with clear coats. Cons: more expensive, requires proper PPE due to isocyanates. Where it's used now: almost all professional body shops and OEM-style refinishing. 4. Water-based base coat, used by most modern manufacturers for environmental compliance. What it is: waterborne color layer topped with a solvent-based clear coat. Pros: environmentally friendly, excellent color accuracy, fast drying with airflow. Cons: needs controlled conditions, cannot be used as a standalone finish. Where it's used now: OEM factories, modern body shops, paint systems, how the layers are built. 1. Single stage paint color and gloss in one layer. Pros: simple, cheaper, period correct for many classics. Cons: less depth, less UV protection, harder to repair without visible blend lines. Best for solid colors on older cars, e.g. MG, Triumph, early Fords. 2. Two-stage, base coat plus clear coat, the modern standard. Base coat provides color and metallic chalked pearl effect. Clear coat provides gloss, UV protection and durability. Pros: deep gloss, long life, easy to polish, excellent metallic pearl control. Cons: more steps, more cost. Best for most modern cars and high-quality classic resprays. 3. Three-stage, tri-coat, used for special finishes like pearls and candy colors. Layers: base color, translucent pearl layer, clear coat. Pros: stunning depth and color shift effects. Cons: harder to match, expensive, requires skill. Best for show cars, high-end modern finishes, types of color effects. Solid, pure color, no metallic, easiest to match and repair. Metallic, aluminium flakes add sparkle, requires clear coat. Pearl, mica, ceramic particles create color shift and depth. Candy, transparent tinted layers over a reflective base, very deep but difficult to repair. Matte, satin, low gloss clear coat, cannot be polished without changing the finish. Textured, stone chip, used on sills and lower panels for protection. How they differ in practice. Feature lacquer enamel. Urethane water-based durability. Low medium high with clear coat. Ease of application. Easy moderate harder. Moderate period correctness. Pre-70s 70s 90s. Modern VOC compliance. Poor moderate good excellent finish quality good excellent excellent. A non-obvious insight. The biggest difference isn't the color, it's the chemistry of the clear coat. Modern 2K urethane clear coats are what give today's cars their long-lasting shine. Even if you use water-based color, the durability comes from the urethane clear on top.